This is the Vigizen Windslayer. It's basically a foam cover for the GoPro Hero 8. You get two of them in a pack for $12.88 on Amazon. I wanted to try them out in some windy conditions, show you what it looks like, and let you hear some audio with it on the GoPro Hero 8 and with it off. All the audio will be just the native GoPro Hero 8 internal mics. So this is the foam itself. Basically, it's shaped around the GoPro Hero 8. It's got a hole for the power and for the record button, obviously the back screen, and then the front camera element. And then it also has an area on the bottom to mount any of the GoPro mounting accessories that you could ever want. When you squeeze it, it's just really like a semi-dense but light foam. And now I'm going to show to you how it looks on the GoPro itself. So you get two in the kit. And so it fits easily and snugly. It adds virtually no weight. Don't know how it would do in the water. I'm assuming it would just dry off over time. And you can also see in just a minute that I did a special rigged cutout for me to plug in my USB-C cable on there. I have the Ulanzi side door on there, and it allows me to access the USB-C cable. So yeah, it's not pretty, but it does work.